Yeah, there is a movement of consolidation in our industry. I think it's quite a natural movement after the industry's been going for about 20 years now. So some of the bigger players are consolidating and trying to create scale. I think the latest shift in consolidation has to do with the US market opening up a few years ago. And that has obviously led to movements from US players, traditional gaming players in the US moving into online and trying to acquire assets, technology, and know-how of online gaming companies.
It feels like the UK does have first mover advantage, about 100 years ahead of the US market in some cases on sports betting. So where does that leave your company? Do you think you are a takeover target?
Well, we don't see ourselves as a takeover target. We see ourselves as a company that has huge opportunities ahead of us in the US, which is basically the new frontier for the company. We managed to grow our business in the first half of this year over 100% in the US. And the US is just starting to open up now, and more markets open for sports betting. And eventually, I think more and more will also open up for online gaming. And we see that as a huge opportunity for ourselves. So we see ourselves a significant player in the global online gaming market rather than a target.
And just a quick brief one from me. The activity of gambling during the lockdown has clearly grown as people have realised this is one of the few accessible pastimes that they can indulge in. How sticky do you think those accounts will be when we come out of coronavirus and we have a vaccine?
So first of all, when we looked at the numbers, and these are numbers that we assessed from different sources, the overall gambling, I'm taking the UK for an example, the overall gambling during lockdown has decreased. There has been a shift to online gambling, but overall the numbers have decreased quite significantly during the lockdown. And I think there's a clear shift from offline physical consumption of services and goods to online. We can see clearly in our business that obviously in lockdown period, we did see peaks specifically in products like poker, where more people were playing poker with their friends online. But we do see a continuation of the strong trading that we saw in lockdown period, and the vast majority of our markets are not in lockdown at the moment.